How to redeem Roblox code. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can directly move into your application Roblox. Let me head over to Roblox itself. Enter your login credentials and then sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this interface. At the left side of the screen, you will find the option where it says gift cards. Head over to it. It will redirect you to this page. Over here it says, enter a virtual item or gift card code below. So in this section, all you want to do is enter the code that you have. Once you have entered, click on redeem at the bottom. Your code will be redeemed successfully. Once it has been redeemed, it allows you to receive various rewards such as virtual items, currencies, or accessories for your avatar. While redeeming a code, you also have to make sure to check the validity of the code and any specific instructions provided with it. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem Roblox codes. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.